Good evening, everyone. I request Kevin sir to conduct the session.
Good evening. Good evening, my dear students. How was your weekend test? Dear students, how was your weekend test? Is there any doubts that you want to get clarified, or any difficulty you faced in solving the problems in this weekend test?
No, sir.
What about others? Only one student told that she has no difficulty. What about the others? I got any doubts with regard to any questions? Any doubt with regard to numerical based question or MCQ questions? Any doubt? I consider your silence as a positive note that you don't have any doubt. Let me proceed ahead. And I told you, dear students, as given a small assignment for you, since I couldn't engage a class on Saturday and so on, that you have to write entire formula, theorem, corollary, some important observation, equations. I told to make it a separate, a small booklet like I would done it. Friends, have you done it? Hello, students, have you done it? Yes or no? If you are not done, say no. If you are done, yes, you say yes. Silence will not work out here. You have to speak up. Own up your responsibility. Yes means yes, no means no.
No, sir.
What about others?
No, sir.
Only two students in the meet. What about the others? Boys? Can you respond? So what I will be suggesting is, okay, tomorrow. Okay, today is Monday. Okay, I will give one more day time. Wednesday evening before the class, or Wednesday, let us say Wednesday evening before 7:30 or 8:30, you'll be submitting this PDF soft copy to the teachers. I'll say to which teacher to submit or to whom to submit. We'll be submitting it to it. They will forward to me, or they will inform me that such and such a student has submitted it. So we will write it in a A4 sheet and make it into a booklet, and we will scan it and send the PDF to me. Is it okay? I'll tell whether to submit to Arun sir or Chandrika ma'am or to somebody. I'll intimate it tomorrow. Wednesday, let us take 9 p.m. as a deadline. 8:30 the class gets over. So I'll give another half an hour to scan, reduce the file size, or if you want to, I don't know which app you're using and so on. So scan it, make it into a PDF, and do send it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we continue the class. Is a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. If a perpendicular bisector of a line segment, just a minute. If a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Okay, this is a perpendicular bisector of a line. Excuse me. A perpendicular bisector of a line segment joining the points. We are getting one line joining the points alpha comma 3 and 2 comma minus 1. There is one line joining this. Let us say this is my x and y axis. There is one line. Let us say there is one line. There is some line. There is some line like this. Joining 2 points A and B. Some line, maybe any line. And there is one perpendicular bisector dividing this line equally. There is a perpendicular bisector dividing this line equally. Perpendicular bisector dividing this line joining A and B. And making a y-intercept. See here, y-intercept is made y-intercept as 1. Then find the alpha. If this is the given condition, find the alpha. What is the value of alpha? We know that perpendicular bisector means a perpendicular line which divides AB into two equal parts. That means if I take this point as a, let us say P means P is the midpoint of AB. So according to the given thing, P is the midpoint of AP. Sorry, AB. P is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, point P will be alpha plus 2 by 2. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. That is 3 minus 1 is 2 by 2. This therefore P is equal to how much? From here P is equal to alpha plus 2 by 2 comma 1. So this is my point P. Now I'll find the slope of this line joining AB. So slope of AB is equal to slope of YAB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So points are alpha comma 3 and 2 comma minus 1. That will be y2 minus y1 is 3 plus 1 whole divided by alpha minus 2. This will be is equal to 4 by alpha minus 2. So they're telling what, if you look at the diagram, they're telling, let us take it as Q. So this PQ is a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means it's a perpendicular line. Therefore, now I have got the slope of AB. Therefore, slope of PQ will be how much? Now I got the slope of AB. Therefore, slope of PQ will be how much? Dear students, what is the slope of PQ will be? What is the slope of PQ will be?
Minus of
Minus of alpha minus 2.
2 by 4.
So now I have got the slope of this line. Look at it. Now I have got the slope of PQ. I have got the point P. Therefore, equation of my perpendicular bisector is what can be given by point slope form. Correct, no? I have got point alpha plus 2 by 2 comma 1, and I got slope as minus of alpha minus 2 by 4. By using point slope form, I got an equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is my x1, this is my y1, and this is my m. So substitute the value. So y minus 1 is equal to m is minus alpha minus 2 by 4 into x minus alpha plus 2 whole divided by 2. So this will be is equal to, what I am going to do is, I'll cross multiply. First of all, I take LCM. First of all, I take LCM and I do cross multiplication. So y minus 1 is equal to minus of alpha minus 2 into, if I take LCM, 2x, this is 4 is there, minus alpha plus 2 whole divided by 2. Now you, if you multiply, 4 2s are 8, I cross multiply, it will be 8y minus 8 is equal to, this will be minus of alpha minus 2 and 2x minus of alpha plus 2. Now I'll multiply. I'll keep this minus as it is minus. I'll multiply this alpha minus 2 inside. So it will become 2x into alpha minus 2 minus alpha minus 2 into alpha plus 2. That will be is equal to minus of, this will be 2x into alpha minus 2. This will be equal to alpha square minus 2 square. A plus b into a minus b formula. That will be equal to minus of 2x into alpha minus 2 minus of alpha square plus 4. Take this minus out inside. So this will be equal to, so what is balance is there, side is 8 minus 8 is there. So 8 minus 8 is equal to minus 2x into alpha minus 2 plus alpha square minus 4. Now I'll simplify everything. So 8y is equal to minus 2x alpha minus 2 plus alpha square minus 4 plus 8 will become plus 4. Now look carefully. This is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So I'll reduce it to this form. So I will reduce, what I'll do, I'll want this y. So y is equal to minus 2x into alpha minus 2 by 8 plus alpha square by 4 by 8. So if you take, if you simplify this one, y is equal to 2 ones are 2 fours are, is minus of alpha minus 2 into by 4 into x plus alpha plus 4 by, so alpha square plus 4 by 8. So now look carefully. This is the form of y is equal to mx plus c. What is my m value? My m value is minus alpha, minus of alpha minus 2 by 4. So my m value is matching. My x is also matching. My y is also matching. Therefore, my c is equal to, therefore c is equal to alpha square plus 4 by y. What is the value of c? What is the value of c? First of all, what is c? What is c in this equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. What is c?
For intercepts,
Which intercept?
y-intercept.
Okay, then what is the value of c here?
Understand.
Huh? Read the question. Read the question and see what is the value of c here. A alpha comma 3, B 2 comma 1 as y intercept 1. So what is my value of c? C value is equal to 1 alpha square plus 4 by 8. It is given in the problem. So alpha square plus 4 is equal to 8. So alpha 4, alpha is equal to plus or minus 2. Do you understand, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we go over the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Two equal sides of an isosceles triangle, that is two equal sides of an isosceles triangle, are given by equation is equal to 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Another side is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Two equal sides of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is, you know that two sides are equal, two angles are equal. So two equal sides of an isosceles triangle, sides are given by an equation. That is 7x minus 3 plus 7x minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. And they are telling that the third side's slope is m. This is an integer. Slope and what? Allow. Slope is an what they are telling? Slope is an allow. The third side's triangle's side is slope is an integer, and we have to find this slope, the value of m. Now we'll take the first side. Let us name the triangle A, B, C. So let us take the AB side slope. So AB side slope will be 7x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. See, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is the slope of that general line? M is equal to, what is the formula?
Minus A by B.
Very
By
good.
B.
Minus a by b, that is equal to minus 7 by minus 3. Therefore, slope m is equal to 7 by 3. Now, slope of BC we have to find. Sorry, slope of AC. Slope of AC is equal to, what is the line equation? X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Same, m is equal to minus a by b. Write the formula every time so much you will understand. So, minus 1 by 1, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, m is equal to minus 1. So now I got to look carefully of this diagram. Now I got the slope of this line. I got the slope of this line. Now, what they're telling that in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, and they are mentioning the question again, stressing it. The two sides equal are given by an equation. That means AB is equal to BC. Huh? So they're giving the question also, AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. That means these two lines are joining with this line. That means this angle also should be equal according to isosceles triangle, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
That means, see, this is line L1, this is line L2, this is line 3. So this angle is equal to this angle. Means what is coming to your mind now? Something is coming to your mind, or something is some idea you're getting? Now you have got the slope of this line, you know the slope of this line, you know the slope of this line. Generally M. Something is coming to your mind? With all the given data, with all the basics idea of triangle and so on. This angle is equal. Angle between two lines. Take angle between L1 and L3 is equal to angle between L2 and L3, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because we know that isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, means the corresponding angles are also equal. So therefore, angle between two lines formula is tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by m1 minus m2 divided by you don't have formula also. M1 mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Tell me once again now. Just look at the screen. Tell me the formula now. M1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So in both the condition, I'll take m1 as my third line slope, common m, m2 as my respective slopes. So m minus, what is my first line slope? Plus 7. So it will become minus 7 whole divided by 1 into m into 7 mod of, this is equal to m minus, my m2 is minus 1, it becomes plus 1 whole divided by 1 plus m. Sorry, not 1 plus m,
-1.
1 minus m. So simplify. So I'll remove the mod. So if you remove the mod, at least one side you have to write plus or minus. So I'll write my plus or minus to the left hand side. So right hand side. So m minus 7 whole divided by 1 plus 7m is equal to plus or minus of m plus 1 whole divided by 1 minus m. So cross multiply, this will become m minus 7 into 1 minus m plus or minus is equal to plus or minus of m plus 1 into 1 plus 7. This will be is equal to, now simplify, m 1 7, that is minus m square minus 7
Plus 7m.
and
Plus 7m.
plus 7m. This is equal to plus or minus m plus 7m square plus 1 plus 7m. Plus 7m is getting cancelled. Sorry, I can't cancel it. Sorry, that's plus or minus is that. So simplify this one. So this will be minus m square plus 8m minus 7. That will be is equal to, this will be plus or minus of 7m square plus 8m plus 1. Now I'll split the equation into case 1 and case 2. My case 1 is, look carefully, m square plus 8m minus 7 is equal to 7m square plus 8m plus 1. This is my case 1, where I take positive. So that will be equal to how much? This will be equal to, I'll send my everything to my left hand side. It will be 7m square minus m square will be 6m square. Now 8m get cancels. That will be equal to 7m square. This will becomes minus 7m, if it comes fixer, it will become plus 8 is equal to 0. This will be equal to 6m square is equal to minus 8. Therefore, m square is equal to minus 8 by 6. That is equal to m square is equal to minus 4 by 3. Therefore, m is equal to root of minus 4 by 3. That is equal to m is equal to 4 by 3i. Do you understand so much? Is it clear, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going for case 2. Case 2. Case 2 is same thing. What is the equation here? Minus m square plus 8m minus 7 minus m square plus 8m minus 7 is equal to minus 7m square minus 7m square minus 8m minus 1. So this way, if it comes like this, it will come 6m square. So this becomes means that will become so I'm sending this one, everything is this side now. That means it should become this one. This will become again plus 16 plus m, this one, this is equal minus 6 is equal to 0. Can I take anything common? I can take 2 common.
2.
3m square plus 8m, m is missing here, minus 3 is equal to 0. Now factorize. 3 3s are 9. If I what is this called as, if I add or subtract two numbers, I should get if I do multiplication, I should get minus 9. If I add or subtract, I should get plus 8. If I add or subtract, sorry, if I do multiplication, I should get minus 9. If I add or subtract, I should get plus 8. That is 9 ones are.
9 minus 1.
It is minus
Minus
plus 9 minus 1. That will be 3m square plus 9m minus m minus 3 is equal to 0. So what I can take common is 3m I can take common. Therefore m plus 3. Here I can take minus 1 as common. M plus 3 is equal to 0. Here again I my m plus 3 is common. So left is m plus 3 into 3m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now equate. So m is equal to minus 3. M is equal to 1 by 3. Now I got 3 values for m. That is m is equal to 3. M is equal to 1 by 3. M is equal to root of minus 4 by 3. So which is my value of m here? Because I should have only one slope. Which is my value of slope here? So this is minus 3. Is it this one? This one? In the option, all the 3 is given. Which is my slope now? Let us see who will give the correct answer. This is option A, they are given. This is option C, they are given. This is option D, they are given. And option B, they are given is 3. A, B, C, D, 4 options are given. Now tell me which option is correct.
C, sir, 1 by 3.
Huh? 1 by 3 is the wrong answer.
Sir, option A, sir, minus 3.
Why option A? Why option A? Why option A is the answer? Because we have got m is equal to minus 3 also we have got. M is equal to 1 by 3 also we have got. M is equal to root of minus 4 by 3 also we have got.
Negative slope, sir. It will be negative slope. That's
There is no condition that you should take only negative values there. We read the question carefully. If the slope m of the third side slope m is a integer. See, this is only a integer. B is equal to 3 is not the answer because we did not get 3. We got these 3 answers. This is an integer. This is a rational number. This is a complex number. So complex number is not my slope. Rational number is not my slope. Now my slope is an integer. The only integer value I got is minus 3.
yes, sir.
This is how the questions will come for your mains exam. You will get 3 answers, and all the 3 answers are given as option there. Sometimes to confuse you, what they will give is option A is equal to minus 3, option B is equal to 1 by 3, option C is equal to minus of 4 by 3, option D is equal to all of these, all the above. And I'm sure most of you will write this answer, all the above. Because you are getting all the values of m. This also you are getting, this also you are getting. No. So it's very clearly they given the condition. M is equal to an integer. See here, in the diagram, if you look carefully, I written that one in the diagram when I draw a isosceles triangle diagram. Third side, see here, third side slope is an integer. Third side slope is an integer. M is equal to Z. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Very important question. This type questions often comes in straight lines. I suppose a line is making an angle of 120 degree. One line is making an angle of 120 degree with positive x-axis. With positive x-axis. Positive direction. If the length of the perpendicular, if the length of the perpendicular length is given, perpendicular length from origin, from 0, 0 origin is 4 units. 4 units. Find the equation of the line. You have to find the equation of a line. What the line is making an angle of 120 degree with a positive x-axis. This line's perpendicular distance is given. As a perpendicular distance from origin to this line. This distance is given. This distance is 4 units. Keeping these things, I have to find the what is called as equation of this line. So first we'll take the line is making an angle theta is equal to 120 degree in the positive direction. Yes or no? The first slope is equal to m is equal to tan theta. Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
m is equal to tan of 120 degree. So I don't know value of 120 degree. So what I will do, I use ES-2 rule. So tan of 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 will give me 120. Because 180 minus 60, which quadrant? 160 is it first quadrant, or second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant?
Second quadrant, sir.
Second quadrant, tan is positive or negative?
Negative, sir.
So I have to use a negative sign. Therefore, minus tan 60. Do you understand how I am converting tan into minus tan 60? AST shown. Do you understand the difference?
Yes, sir.
Now, what my value? Tan 30 is the minus of root 3. So I got a slope of this line. Slope of now, what I did that the length of perpendicular is 4. Length of the perpendicular is 4. Now, tell me the formula for the length of the perpendicular, the perpendicular distance from a point to the line. So, from origin to the line. We have given this formula. If you don't know this formula also, you can take general formula also. Distance of a line from a point. Both the formula are given. This is what happens. I told, without formula, you can't solve the problems. D is equal to, general formula is x1 plus by1 plus c plus b square. From when the perpendicular is from origin, x1 y1 is 0. Therefore, this equation, this formula will become a square plus b square. This small itself, because both are getting plus or minus, that is equal to here will get plus or minus, here will get, so this plus or minus get cancelled. So d is equal to c by a square plus b square. Therefore, the general distance is d equal to c by root of a square plus b square. Plus minus is for square root, minus is mod. So minus plus or minus get cancelled. So d value they given d for value. D value I don't have as it is. Sorry, C value I don't like it. Excuse me. B value. Okay. Slope. I got the slope. Huh? Where is the diagram? I got the slope of this line. If I extend this line is somewhere cutting the axis. I got y is equal to S. That value to find that to find slope. So from that, what I can this. Something is going on. So y is equal to plus c is there. So y is common term. M value I know minus root 3x plus c value I have to find out. Therefore, the equation will become as root 3x plus y plus c.
Sir, it is possible
Sorry?
what you are sir writing that.
Hello, your voice is breaking. Hello.
Yes, sir.
That's what you are telling. So from this equation, I have to find the value of c. So from here, I got value of a is equal to root 3. Value of b is equal to, therefore, here 4 by root 3 square means 3 plus 1 square is 1. Therefore, 4 by c by 2. That will be c is equal to 8. So from here, my equation will become like root 3 x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. If I simplify this one, it will be root 3x plus y is equal to 8. Do you understand this question, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Now, what question we are solving has come in, what is this called as AIC exam in 2016. This is what we are going to solve now. Seven plus 6 is 0. Make an angle theta. Make an angle theta with positive axis. Make an angle theta with positive x-axis for the value of theta. So what they're telling is one line, some 2x plus 7y plus is a line. First, we'll simplify this line. We'll see what kind of line this one. So that means if it is making an angle with x-axis, means it should cut by x and y-axis. Only then it can make an angle. So we'll reduce this one to intersect frequency. So what we should do is 7y minus 6 here. Now to make sure my right hand side is 1. So I have to divide throughout by minus 6. That will become x by minus 3 plus y by minus 6 means minus 6 by 7 is equal to 1. Correct, no? Means my line is coming, my intercept, my x-intercept will be minus 3 somewhere here. Yes, this is line. This is my line now. 2x plus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0. The normal drawn from origin to this line is making some angle theta with x-axis. That means this angle you have to find theta. This theta we have to find. So now if we came to know that line is like this, line is in the third quadrant and normal is drawn like that, and it is making an angle theta. So first what we'll do is we'll find the slope of our given line. This is the slope we'll find first, given lines. So 2 plus y 6 is equal to 0. This is my line. Slope line is minus 8, that is minus 2. So here, this is a line. This is a normal drawn perpendicular. This normal is a perpendicular drawn to the line. So this is a perpendicular. Means what is the slope of this perpendicular line? The slope of the normal
7/2, sir.
1/2. So now we know that the slope of normal is 7/2 to 10. So
Sir,
I
your
want the
voice.
value. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
So I want the value of my theta. Therefore, theta is equal to. So what I'll do is I'll write this one is tan theta is equal to 7/2. Therefore, from here I am taking what I will take theta is equal to tan inverse of 7/2. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 7/2. So listen carefully. My look at the diagram. I'll draw the diagram once again here. My line is here. My perpendicular is here. Means my theta is coming to which quadrant? Where is my angle formed here? In which quadrant is my angle formed? My angle theta is in which quadrant now?
Third
Dear
quadrant.
students, third quadrant. Third quadrant, what is the angle value? What is the angle limit?
Positive, sir.
Come on. Third quadrant, my angle is 180 plus theta, pi plus theta, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
So this my theta, sorry. Since theta is important, for theta will become plus theta, correct? No? Important theta value is pi plus theta, correct? No? Therefore, tan inverse 7/2. And made by my normal angle normal is pi plus tan inverse of 7/2. And what I give this question was option A, tan inverse of 7/2. Option B, minus tan inverse of 7/2. Option C, pi plus tan inverse of 7/2. Option D, pi by 2 plus tan inverse of 7/2. So if you usually what people will do is they will take option A or option B. So only very basics of trigonometry has to be used. You see how we are using trigonometry concepts in straight lines. So only when I started trigonometry, I told trigonometry we often use in straight lines. Is it clear why we are taking pi plus theta?
Yes, sir.
We'll go to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Next question is x plus. Clear this. I think the screen is full. X plus
Your voice is not.
x plus y equal to x plus equation normal. We have to express the equation x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 in a normal form. So first what you do is keep the constant errands and all the other things at the other side. Minus x minus y is equal to 1. And if ax plus by plus c is 0, I will divide that. So divide by
Sir, your
square.
voice is not clear.
So if minus 1, b value is minus 1. So if I that means minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square will I have to divide by one. That will be minus 1 by root 2 x. So root 2 y is equal to 1 by root 2. So the general normal form equal to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So I have to write this entire thing in a angle. So what I'll do is carefully cos you know uh, uh, it is what is that? X of minus cos 45 plus here also minus sin 45 into y is equal to 1 by root 2. So now I have to use this ruler to simplify this one. Fully 180 180 plus 45. Because we know that third quadrant cos is negative. So plus sin 180 minus 45 because second quadrant we know, sorry, here also plus 45 because second quadrant sin is positive. So we'll take third quadrant sin negative is equal to 1 by 2. So simplify this one because this is in third quadrant, this is in third quadrant cos is negative, sin is negative value is there. So if you simplify this one will become x into cos of 220 plus y into sine of 225 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. This is the equation of x plus y plus 1 in a normal form. If you want to simplify much more further, this will go to root 2x cos of 220 plus root 2y sine of 225 is equal to 1. And you open the option, simplify the thing, and you have to find the answer. Is it okay, dear students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
X cos alpha plus y alpha is equal to P is a normal form of the equation of a line x plus root 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P is a normal form of the equation x plus root 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. A and B are x and y intercepts. A and B are x and y intercepts. Then find the value of root 3 pi B P minus 3A alpha. This value you have to find out. So now what they are telling is this x plus root 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. X alpha is a normal form of this equation. X plus root 3 plus 4 is equal to 4. A and B are x and y intercept. Here, A and B are y intercept is normal. Given all this condition, R is angle of normal. So we have to find the value of root 3 pi BP minus 3A alpha. So for take the given equation, x plus root 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. First we will what we will do is we'll take the entire thing this side. So x plus root 3y is equal to minus. So we make this 1. So divide over by minus 4 x by minus 4 plus root 3 times 4 plus y is equal to 1. It is equal to x by minus 4 plus y by minus 4 by root 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, what is my a value? If you compare this one, this is like x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Therefore, a value is equal to minus 4. B value is equal to minus 4 by root 3. So I got my A and B value. Now I have to find my alpha and P value. So I have to find P value. So say the same equation again. X plus root 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. So same thing. Keep the constant and send all this on this side. So minus x minus 3y is equal to 4. So divide out by a square plus b square. A value is 1. Means minus 1 square is plus 1. Plus minus root 3 whole square will be plus 3, that is equal to 4, root 4 is equal to 2. So I have to divide out by 2. 1 by 2x plus of minus 1 minus root 3 by 2y minus root 3 by 2y is equal to 4. So I have to write in angle. So that will be I have to write in the angle now. X into minus of cos I think cos 60 plus y into minus of sin 60 is equal to 4. Same. I can't take my first quadrant, second quadrant, because first quadrant all are positive. Second quadrant sign is positive. So I have to avoid all those things. So I have to take the third quadrant. That is x is equal to cos of 180 plus theta 60 plus y into sin of 180 plus 60 is equal to 4. That will be is equal to x cos that is I'll write in the radians because we are doing it in pi. We have to find the we have to do it in pi. So only this 180 means pi radians plus by 3 plus y into pi plus pi by 3, that is equal to 4. That will be equal to x cos 4 pi by 3 plus y sin of 4 pi by 3 is equal to 4. Comparing with this is with the normal equation. cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Alpha is equal to 4 pi by 3 and P is equal to 4. So we have to find the value for what? We have to find the value of root 3 pi BP minus 3A alpha, that is equal to root 3 into pi into B value is how much? B value is minus 4 by root 3 into P value is 4. So this one it cancels. Minus 3 into A value is minus 4 plus alpha value is 4 pi by 3. So this one get cancelled. So what is left out is minus 16. What is minus 16? Minus 16. Okay. What is my P value? P value is we have to divide 2 by, okay, we have to divide 2 no. It's not 1 by 2. 2. So 2, 2. So P value is 2. This is pi is equal to E. Understand this question? Problem? Hello. Dear students, do you understand the problem?
Yes, sir.
We'll stop it for today. So tomorrow we'll be doing some problems on equations and slope. Slowly we'll go to point of concurrency. Tomorrow we'll start some problems on point of concurrency, intersection of lines. Then slowly we'll do on centers of triangle, areas of triangle, and so on. Humble request, not humble request. Okay, it's a humble request today. Wednesday, if you don't do it, it will become an imposed work. Kindly get ready that a formula sheet, all the formulas, equations, because today most of the time you are keeping point. Some basics formula like distance of a line to a point or perpendicular distance. All these things we have discussed 3-4 times. When we took basics of 2D geometry also we discussed. When we took for locus also we discussed. And we solved problems using those formulas. And again now also we discussed. So straight lines without formulas, without all those simple tricks and all those things, literally you can't solve problems. This is only beginning. Beginning only saw how many formulas we are using, how many things we are using. As it goes on, the problem will become complex. So try to do the work. So we'll be tomorrow. Thank you. So kindly prepare your list or follow booklet. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Arun sir.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, sir, I will engage the class in the morning.
All right, sir. What time, sir?
No, 6 to 7.
All right, sir.
Because more or less my sinus is better.
All
So
right,
I
sir.
because why means from this weekend or next thing, since we are beginning a revision schedule, so evening I don't know when I will get placed in the in our academy.
Oh, all
So
right, sir.
our doubt clearance session and
Yeah,
exams
yeah,
and so
yeah,
on.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, understand, sir.
I'll engage the class from tomorrow onwards in the morning,
All
so
right,
I
sir.
can schedule the morning class tomorrow onwards.
All right, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all, students. Join the class tomorrow morning again at 5 o'clock. Bye, everyone.